Here are your headlines from KPRC Channel 2 and click2houston.com.
Good morning, I'm Owen Conflenti with KPRC Channel 2 News.
And I'm Rachel McNeil. Here are the stories that we're working on this morning. The Texas legislature will go back in session Tuesday. The governor called lawmakers back to Austin to, as he put it, do some unfinished business. Lawmakers will tackle about 20 bills that were not voted on during the main session earlier this year. Our Ryan Korsgaard is in Austin. He's going to bring us live updates on air and online.
Houston Rockets are up for sale, and fans are buzzing about who will lead the team next. The Rockets are worth an estimated $1.65 billion. So far, Houston businessmen Mattress Mac and Tillman Fertitta have both expressed interest in purchasing the team. Channel 2 weather, 40% chance of showers this afternoon, a high of 92.